Tom Cruise rocked the entertainment world when he, against all good judgment, rode a motorcycle off a cliff. It's a scene that will go down in history as the sheer adrenaline rush of the century. It takes extreme courage and an incredible level of skill to attempt such a feat that risked death and injury. Preparation is a major variable in accomplishments like this that require a level of focus and preparation that few people possess. Tom Cruise didn't spare any expense in making sure he was ready to pull off the stunt. He was surrounded by experienced stunt managers and coordinators who had done similar stunts in the past. Everyone had a plan of action and knew what needed to happen in order for the stunt to run smoothly. Tom Cruise had practiced the routine 1,000 times to make sure his reflexes and body was in peak condition. With all of the elements in place, everyone was on site early and ready to take off. On the day of the stunt, the sun was high in the sky, providing perfect light for a dramatic moment. With nerves of steel, Tom Cruise revved his engine and moved in for the jump. As the bike crossed the cliff's edge, the crowd collectively held their breath in anticipation. Tom Cruise flew through the sky, gracefully landing a few yards away from the cliff. Everyone was in shock, unable to believe what had just been accomplished. Tom Cruise had achieved something no one else had ever dared to attempt. His success made headlines as fans watched in awe of what had been accomplished. With the stunt complete, it was clear that Tom Cruise had taken his daredevil activities to a whole new level. Everyone praised his bravery and his skill, wondering what he could possibly do next. There was no questioning that this was one of the boldest moves anyone had seen. Tom Cruise had made a statement with a stunt, one that would be remembered for a very long time. While other motorcyclists have attempted to replicate the stunt, nobody has been able to match the success or level of risk. Tom Cruise's whirlwind stunt sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and showed the world what can be done with skill and unwavering determination. The jump off the cliff was a testament to the power of human potential and an inspiration to all of those who dream of achieving the impossible. Not only did Tom Cruise prove to himself that anything is possible, he proved it to the world. It was an amazing feat of bravery that nobody expected and showed that anything can be accomplished with the right amount of preparation and courage.